August is Black Business Month, and the pandemic had an immense effect on how small businesses operate. There are striking differences among closure rates across racial and ethnic groups. According to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, Black businesses experienced a 41% drop in contrast to their white counterparts, who fell by 17.5%. Today, we are spotlighting Guava, a community bank that aims to help Black small business owners gain access to capital to help narrow the racial wealth gap. And we have Kelly Ifill, founder of Guava, with us today. Kelly, thank you for being here today. Really appreciate it. I want to start by talking to you about some of the challenges that Black business owners face that perhaps other business owners don't face. Can you highlight some of those obstacles?
Yeah, absolutely. I think to start, opening a bank account can be really difficult if you live in a place that's called a bank desert where you don't have a bank branch. And so that means that you would have to close shop or, travel a little bit further to do something as simple as opening a bank account. And that doesn't even start to contend with the structural barriers that are in place when you think about Black entrepreneurs getting denied for loans much more than any other people. So kind of the barriers are really in place when you're even starting a business.
And this is also a networking opportunity, right? Your members have access to other members and they are able to network. Tell me why that's so beneficial.
Yeah, so for entrepreneurs, regardless of your ethnicity or the type of business, it's really important to have other people that you can kind of tap on the shoulder and ask questions of. And so having that kind of baked into the experience is really important to make it kind of at the tip of your finger to get access to other entrepreneurs, as well as the resources that are really important, kind of answering those evergreen questions for small business owners.
Definitely. And according to the Harvard Business Review, Black women are the fastest growing cohort of entrepreneurs, but only about 3% of Black women run mature, established businesses. Where is the challenge that they're not able to cross that hurdle?
Yeah, I think to start, it's something that's really worth celebrating, that Black women are the fastest growing entrepreneurial group in the country. We are also the holders of the most advanced degrees. So I expect in the future that number to increase, especially with resources like Guava that's helping entrepreneurs scale their businesses faster. And so when you think about why it wasn't the case before, many of those hurdles really were barriers for people to scale their businesses.
Definitely, and I love this fact. You used to be a math teacher?
Yeah.
Okay. You and I cannot relate. We are not the same. But I will say, given your background, why do you think it's so important? Or what is the significance of kids learning very early on about managing money and learning about money?
Yeah, I mean, everything, right? You start your formative years being a high school math teacher. I love the babies. We were in Brooklyn. It was amazing. But it was also this opportunity to really see young people start to kind of come into their own. And so making sure that you have that foundational knowledge at the onset of your financial lifetime is really important. Definitely.
And what are some of, the things that people don't know about starting your own business, whether the positives and perhaps some of the challenges I'll present it as?
Yeah, some of the things that are so true is just the loneliness that you are doing something often for the first time and you don't have this roadmap or other people to necessarily look at to say that this is exactly what I want to do. And so you are figuring out a lot on your own. And so genuinely having a community is really important. Being able to get simple questions answered quickly without having to go to Google or Reddit is really important as well. And so just trying to ensure that those things can become easier for entrepreneurs to do and they can get back to the business of running their business.
All right, Kelly Ifill, founder of Guava, thank you for being with us today.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.